हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वंस अगेन वेलकम टू माय चैनल जीरो चार्ज। मेरा नाम है अंकित एंड आज की वीडियो में अनबॉक्स एंड रिव्यू करेंगे अगारो का अल्फा डेस्कटॉप फैन। So this is Agaro's Alpha Desktop Fan. Inside the box we get one user manual, one warranty card. This comes with 1 year of standard warranty, one USB Type-C cable for charging. This is a rechargeable table fan. The diameter of this fan is 4 inch. It is very lightweight and portable. The weight of this table fan is only 450 grams. It is made of ABS plastic. In this table fan you get 4 adjustable fan speed. First low, second medium, third high, and fourth strong. So you can adjust fan speed according to your need. This table fan is super quiet and in high speed noise is less than 20 decibel. All this is possible due to brushless motor in this fan. It also comes with 3 intensity of reading light. Press the light button to adjust the reading light as low, medium and high. Press the swing function button to oscillate the fan up to 120 degree. You can also manually tilt the fan up to 90 degrees. This comes with 4000 mAh battery. It takes 4.5 hours for charging and can run for 11 hours in low speed, 8 hours on medium, 5 hours on high speed and 3 hours on ultra high speed. So right now I have connected the charging cable and you can see that it is charging. This table fan has multiple usages. You can use this table fan while sleeping to enjoy the cool breeze, while doing your office work, and also while cooking in the kitchen as well. For cleaning, twist left to remove the outer cover. Then you can clean with a cloth, and once the cleaning is done, you can install the cover back. आई होप आप लोगों को अगारो का ये पोर्टेबल डेस्कटॉप फैन जो है वो पसंद आया होगा। अगर पसंद आया होगा, लिंक्स मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिए हैं, आप वहां से परचेज कर सकते हैं। With that note, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and keep watching Zero Charge. Jai Hind.